Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I'm making keema and mutton pulao. So I have my keema and mutton ready to go, and I'm going to add it to the pot, and it's going to go in the oven. Making about 2.5 glass of rice, so I'm going to put 3.5 of water. So I did my rice that I washed and soaked for about half an hour. I'm gonna mix it really well and bring it to a boil, and we're going to place it in the oven. It is starting to come to a boil. Another few seconds and then we'll place it in the oven for about half an hour at 350 degrees. So you're gonna place a lid and put it in the oven for half an hour at 350 degrees. Look at that, you guys. Our mutton keema pulao is ready and it's perfect. Smells really good.